Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home, my dear students. This is your Tazib sir. I hope you all remember, dear. So, what we have done yesterday? Yesterday we have learned about the area. Okay, what the funda of find the area we have done, my dear students. I hope you all remember. So now we will move on further, my dear students. Our next topic is what? Find and questions. Okay, example of how to find the perimeters together area. Okay, area and perimeters we are going to find. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So this is a very easy for us. Okay, and this kind of the topics we have done. Today we are going to learn a different kind of the find the perimeters and area. This type of the question we are going to learn. So before starting this all question, my dear, now I am going to present here today's quote and then we will move on further. So now I am going to present here today's quote. So today's quote is what, my dear students? Don't quit. Okay, what is the meaning, my dear students? Always you say don't quit, but never you say don't quit. Always you have to tell, we have to say do it. Okay, do it. Got my points? Do it. Okay, so my dear students, as per now we are move on further our chapters. I hope you all remember which chapter we are going to learn. Okay, which chapter we are going to learn, my dear students? Chapter number 12. Chapter number 11, not a 12, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So, my dear students, I hope you all remember perimeter and area. What is a perimeter? You all know, and what is a area? Okay, and I hope you remember what, my dear students? In perimeter we are going to do the addition and area, and then after you are going to find the area. So that time what you are using? That time you are using, my dear students, multiplication. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points? So my dear students, now today first of all we are going to learn find the area. Okay, find the area and different kinds of the other question we are going to learn today. So now here first is the perimeter example with answer here. Okay, here example of some things. My points, my dear students, means the formula of the perimeter. This kind of the formula we are going to learn. So now I am going to explain this sheet. Okay, then after you write with me, my dear students, in your book properly. So this is what? Perimeter. Okay, this is all example of perimeter. This shape is the figure. This figure is a rectangle shape. This figure is what? Square in shape, and this is a triangle. This is a rectangle, square and triangle. So I am going to take first is here rectangle. What, my dear students? First I am going to take here the rectangles. Got my points? So now we will going to learn about the rectangles. Okay, rectangles means this both length is same and breadth is what? Different. Both length is same and breadth is different, my dear students. Understood? Both length is the same and breadth is different, my dear students. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? So this is a rectangular shape, my dear students, and L for length. Okay, L for what, my dear students? L for length. Okay, and B for, my dear students, breadth. Okay, not a breadth. My dear students, what is the meaning of L? L for length. L is equal to length, my dear students. L is equal to length. Here, see here, my dear students. L is equal to length. L is equal to length, and then after, my dear students, L is equal to length, and B is equal to means small b. Okay, small b is equal to what? Breadth. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, dear. Okay, so this is our breadth and length. This is both length and breadth. Understood? Why we are mentioned if we are going to measure the length, so that's why we are put the length, and if we are going to measure the breadth, so that's time we are going to measure breadth. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further. We are going to find the perimeters. So my dear students, first is perimeter. In perimeter is first is length and second is breadth. Got my points, all of you? First is a length and L for length. Okay, we use here the length of first letter is L and breadth of first B. Got my points, my dear students? Both words use as like that. Okay, we only here use the short term, length for L and B for breadth. Okay, got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So now further, 8 centimeter is length and breadth is a 4 centimeter. So what to do? How to find the perimeter? Which method we are going to apply? So addition method or a multiplication method? So if we are going to find the perimeter, so that time we are going to use which method? Addition method. Got my points, my dear students? Addition method we are going to apply. So I am going to apply here the addition method. First is what? See, in a rectangle, length is same, both length is the same and breadth is same. Both breadth means two side of breadth is same and length, two side of the length is same, my dear students. Okay, so see here, 8 centimeter length, 5. Okay, my dear students, 5 centimeter is what? Breadth. But here breadth is coming a 4 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you here? I am writing the whole things for us. 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, my dear students. Then after again 8 centimeter, then after again 4 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? 4 centimeter. We are going to write as like this wall things. Again I am going to write, my dear. First of all is a what? 8 semi. So here is the 8 semi. Then after 4 semi. Then after again, my dear students, is the 8 centimeter. Then after again is the 4 centimeter. Got my points? And now answer is what, my dear students? We do the here addition. What we have to do here? We do the here all the addition. So my dear students, then here is what? Here we will going to do the addition, my dear students. Okay, 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11 and 12, my dear students. How many? 12. And then after 12 plus 8, how many? 20. 20 plus 4, 24. How many, my dear students? 24. So now I am going to write here the answer. 24 centimeter is our main answer. 24 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, this is very important for us. We have to apply this method only here. Okay, got my points, my dear students? So note down these wall things. 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter is equal to now 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, length is 8 centimeter, here is also length centimeter, length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, and here is same is length is breadth is 4 centimeter. So answer is what? 24 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? You have to write as like that. So now note down these all things, my dear, in your book properly. I'll give you time to writing all. And then after we will move on further, my dear. I'll give you time all, dear. I hope you all are written, my dear, in your book properly. And then we will move on further, dear all. So dear students, you write down these all things and then we will move on further on question number B. So now further, my dear students, I am going to move on a square where understood all. Now I am going to move on a square. My dear students, okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So now we will move on further. So what, in fourth side we are going to apply 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter as it is. So now I am going to write here. Dear, got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, this is a very important for us, my dear. So now what we have to do, we have to do the addition here. Okay, what we have to do, we have to do here the addition, my dear students. So now I am going to write the answer. 6 plus 6. How many, my dear students? 12. Okay. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Okay. And 18 plus 6 is 24. Means 6 fours are 24. As like we do, my dear students, 6 fours are 24. So now I am going to write here the answer. 6 fours are 24. So now you note down this answer all. So my dear, now I am going to write here the answer. What, my dear students? Now I am going to write the answer here. 24 centimeter. How many centimeter, dear? 24 centimeter. Okay, dear, my dear. Now what I am telling you, now you note down this answer and squares, perimeters. Okay, note down this answer all. So my dear students, now you note down this answer properly in your book, dear all, and then we will move on further, my dear. My dear students, write all things 6 semi, 6 semi, 6 semi is equal to 24 semi. 6 fours are 24. How many, my dear students? 6 fours are 24 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. Understood, my dear all? What I am telling you, you note down these all things in your book, dear, and then after we will move on further. So my dear students, now we will move on a triangles, where we have to going to move on we are going to move on triangles. Got my points, my dear students? We are going to move on triangles. Okay, so triangles, all sides are what? How many sides? Triangle sides is what? All are different, not the same. So now I am going to put here the centimeter, 6 centimeter here. This is a 6 centimeter here. Got my points, all my dear students? What I am telling you, A is a 6 centimeter, B is a 4 centimeter, B is a 4 centimeter, and then after, my dear students, 8 centimeter is C. C is 8 centimeter. Okay, generally is, my dear students, 8 centimeter is here, and here is the 4 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, my dear students? Got my points all? You have to write these all things. Dear students, now what we have to do? We have to do the addition here. What we have to do? We have to do the addition here. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points, my dear students, all of you? What I am telling you, you have to write these all things. Okay, dear? You have to write these all things in your book, dear. So my dear students, what I am telling you, what you have to do? You have to do the addition here one by one. Okay, first is 8 centimeter. Here I am going to write the first is 8 centimeter. Then after the 6 centimeter, my dear. And then after further is what? Then after further you have to do the 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? So now you have to do the addition here. Simple addition. Got my points, all my dear students? What you have to do? You have to do the addition here. So now I am going to write here the answer. Okay, but here we will do the addition. 8 plus 4. Sorry, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So answer is what? 18 centimeter of this triangle. 18 centimeter of this triangle. Got my points, my dear students? All of you? Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so here is 18 centimeter. What my point for all? Here is 18 centimeter. So now I'll give you this work. You note down this whole work, my dear, all in your book. And then after we will move on further. Okay, so now you note down this, my dear students. Then after we will move on. Don't forget to write these all things. 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Okay, then after we will move on further, my dear students. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all dear. Then we will move on further. So I hope you have done, dear all. Okay, so now we will move on further our next topic. Okay, so now I am going to move on further, dear. This is example for you, my dear, perimeter and its all sides. So now only just I'll give you the brief introductions of perimeter. Means a briefly I am not telling you here. Okay, here is all things are present here. So add a all side. So first is 6 centimeter, then is a 4 centimeter, then after, my dear students, then after we will move on further. Okay, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? So now here one by one we do the all addition here. 6 plus 4. How many? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3. How many, my dear students? 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 7. How many? 19 plus 7. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So answer is what, my dear students? Answer is 26 centimeter. Answer is what, my dear students? 26 centimeter. Understood all of you what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, answer is what? 26 centimeter. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Answer is 26 centimeter. Okay, now we will move on further, my dear students. Find the area rectangle. Find the area rectangle. What is the agenda of finding the area of a rectangle? Okay, to work out the area of a rectangle, multiply its length, the longer sides, by its width, the shorter sides. Got my points, my dear students all? What I am telling you, finding the area, to work out the area of a rectangle, multiply its length, the longer sides by its width and the shorter sides. Got my points? The area of rectangle is what? Okay, my dear students, simple things I am going to explain you here. Simple things I am going to explain you here. Here is a what? 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So in a perimeter, what we have to do? We have to do the addition. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 centimeter of the perimeter. But if we are going to find the area, so that time what we do? That time we are going to do the multiplication. What? That time we are going to do the multiplication. 7 multiplied by 3. So 7 3s are 21. 3 7s are 21. As like that, my dear students, we are going to find the area. Okay, this is a method, right method of finding the area. Now I am going to teach you here. 7 multiply by whole things, my dear students. Okay, 7 multiply by whole things. 7 multiplied by 3 means I am going to write the whole things here. So now we are going to find the area, finding the area in rectangles, the workout of the area. So my dear, what we have to do, finding the area and rectangles. Okay, 3 multiplied by 7. How many? 3 multiplied by 7, dear. Okay, 3 multiplied by 7. So now I am going to write here 3 centimeter multiply by how many, my dear all? Multiply by 7 centimeter. What my points all, my dear students? What I am telling you, first of all 3 semi and then here is 7 semi. Okay, here is 7 cent. Okay, dear all. So now you have to write these all things, dear my, in your book properly. Okay, all. So now I'm going to write here 7 3s are 21 is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, dear. 21 3 centimeter 7 centimeter. Okay, means what 3 sevens 3 sevens or 7 threes are how many? 21 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, and tomorrow we are going to learn different kinds of a question. Okay, perimeter and area we are going to find tomorrow. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you all. Thank you so much again, my dear students. Thank you all.